Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about a footer of your website and how to make one in WordPress. Basically, WordPress footer is a part of the website located at the bottom of its every page. The main purpose of this section is informative. Here the users can find additional information or navigational assistance. As the footer is a place where website visitors frequently search for the information, its structure is very important for an overall website impression. Some of the things you should add to your website footer include contact info, an interactive map, basic business information such as about us, meet the team, company policy, etc., or the company logo, navigational links, social icons or widgets, your mission, your call to action, awards and certificates, as well as reviews. Now let's see how to build your footer in WordPress. In your dashboard, click on Appearance and then on Widgets. Here you can find all the widgets that are available for your theme. Also, this is where you can check the number of fields for your footer. Another place where you can add widgets in the WordPress footer is the Customize field. Go to Appearance and click on Customize. Here you can see the changes you make in real time. Also, your footer fields are visible here. And that's pretty much it. Easy, isn't it? We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.